In this video, I'm going to show you how I draw one of my morning drawings. I draw everything in Procreate on an iPad Pro with an Apple Pencil. The iPad is a little bit older, 2 or 3 years old. Still works perfectly. The pencil is the older version that plugs in and charges from the bottom. Horrible design, but great drawing experience. So the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning pretty much is write, but then write either a picture book or a graphic novel or a side project. And then right after that, I open up Procreate and I just start to draw and doodle, and usually do it with a blue studio pen, get some rough lines going and try to figure out what I'm gonna draw. Usually I'll try to sit down with no idea. Sometimes at night I will plan out my idea, and it usually makes for a smoother drawing in the morning, but I find that when I don't know what I'm gonna draw, a lot of unexpected things happen, and I sort of push myself to find a new style or technique or character to draw. Here, I did not have an idea when I sat down, and this Snail character came out. I always find that I end up getting in a groove with the types of characters that I draw, so I look back at my old drawings to make sure that I do something a little bit different in each one, so every day the drawing compounds and the style will change. And I do so many of these drawings that I will find I often repeat myself, so I know I did a turtle a while back with a sweatband, so I look back to make sure this one was a little bit different. It's actually pretty similar, and I found that I'm using similar colors. So with each drawing, I need to remind myself to explore new things, try different things, and make sure my drawing style evolves. So for the ink in this drawing, I use the studio pen. I'm drawing on a canvas that's 3750 by around 4250. It looks good on Instagram, and I can usually export the drawings out for Teespring. And I'm also recording this in the background for this YouTube channel. I'm using a Sony A5100 camera, and I have a cheap light setup around it. And yeah, so I'm recording this video as a YouTube video. I'm also, you'll see me pull up my phone. I'm recording some of the color fills for TikTok. Right here, you'll see I'm recording, some of the brighter pops of color for shorter TikTok videos, which are about 15 seconds. So from this video, or from this drawing, I get a YouTube video, a TikTok video, an Instagram post, an Instagram story, and I get a graphic for Teespring. It's sort of a system that starts in the morning, and over a long period of time, you end up with a huge body of work that people can discover with doing only this. From drawing to posting this video on YouTube took me 1 hour. So that's, I'd probably get, if I wanted to, I could chop this up and post it to YouTube and get a 45-minute video if I wanted to, but I speed things up and edit it to make it more entertaining. I know I'm talking through my process of posting content rather than the drawing here, but hopefully that gives you a little bit of inspiration on how to get your work out there a little bit more. I know it's always, I think that's the biggest challenge in the true art these days, is putting your work out there and getting attention and getting known. So that's one thing I'm discovering over the last year, is you got to build a system to get things out there so it's almost effortless. So this is one of my morning drawings with the Snail. Hope this helped. Let me know what you think in the comments. I just started my YouTube channel and I'm just starting to build things up. So let's talk soon.